Welcome back again. This is the fourth unit discussion. So till now we discussed about that unit 1, 2 related to the matrices. Unit 3 is opposite than that curve tracing. Now we are entering into that fourth unit. So here especially the topic is change of variables, Jacobians we are taking. So he is the person Jacobian who introduced about that change of variables. So determinant which are very important for solving that single variable or multivariable calculus, right? Now our two objects in these lessons are to understand the concept of Jacobian, use of change Jacobian to change the variables in double integral. Objective 1 is to understand the concept of Jacobian. Jacobian, which turns into 2 by 2 determinant, is a natural growth of changing of variables in an integral problem. In a single integration, you can change the variables by putting into that this x equals to g of u, dx equals to g dash u into dy. It's the double integral where we can see that the Jacobian. So in that we are going to use that j is equals to the double integral part will be the this one. This is the Jacobian part. Okay. Now this concept we are using here in unit 4. So this is the general formula. So especially we are taking into that this part. So dou xy by dou u equals to dou x by dou u dou x by dou v. So that means the first and then with the variable y, again that this dou y by dou u and dou y by dou v like this. Okay. If you want to do that, this multiplication minus of this cross multiplication, you get that. Let me see that the polar coordinates. When you want to solve that in a Jacobians in a polar coordinates, x equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. If you differentiate that, you will get that dou x by dou r equals to cos because with respect to r. So that is cos theta and this is sin theta. With respect to theta minus r sin theta dou y by dou theta and put that j is equals to j equation this. Substituting all those things, you are going to get that r. So hence we'll find out the double integration of this. Okay, that is the motto of that to introducing that the Jacobians, right? Objective 2. So use of Jacobians change variables in double integration. So let suppose r is bounded by the lines, right? Say I have taken x minus 2y equals to 0, x minus 2y equals to minus 4, then x plus y equals to 4, x plus y equals to 1. This creates that parallelogram as shown in the graph figure. Now you can see that. Substituting the new bound should be like this. And by solving this mark, because you have taken the u is equals to x plus y, v equals to x minus 2y. So we'll get that all these new bounds from. So this creates that rectangular in a UV plane. Now everything is transformed. See, like this. To find that part, how you got that one, so you'll get like this. Okay, so these boards you have to do that. Our motto is what? Finally, you have to find that these values into that, no, right? So in a double integration, just substituting that. Now you can integrate it with respect to u and v. We'll get that answer is 164.9. Thank you.